dance was the dance she went to where she did the Wednesday dance.
I'll blame you if people are like, it's Rave'n. You're stupid.
Rave'n? Based off the bird, a raven. You're so f***ing stupid!
Oh. What up, everybody? How you guys doing today? Today I'm going to be unboxing, setting up, and doing a demo of the new for 2024 Wednesday Rave'n Dance Animatronic from Lowe's. Alright guys, I am like one of a couple people that own this animatronic. I don't even know if it's like released on the website yet. Last time I checked it wasn't. I saw this on Mercari actually. It was under retail and it's like brand new in the box, which is crazy. I don't know why they would do that, especially because of this thing's rare. So, I mean, I'm not complaining, but it was just a little bit weird. But yeah, I do think this thing's very cool, and I definitely think it'll be a crowd pleaser in the haunt. So definitely excited to get into this. Right here, we have the instructions. Has Wednesday on it. Hopefully it'll be a pretty easy setup. Right here looks to be her dress. Not great quality, but not bad. Right here we have one of her boots, and they're actually really small, like how they look at the feet. This thing's about to come off, but it's all right. There's a little scuff mark here, but it's fine. I don't think anybody will care. Right here we have one of her poles and the control box. It doesn't have the big like booming speaker that most of the stuff does, but it still looks pretty good. We're gonna put it right to on actually, and yeah, pretty standard, just a little smaller than usual. Right here we have her hip loop and her like little hip connector. This thing is tiny, like hand comparison. This is very small. Right here we do have one of her hands and her arms. Definitely excited to see this thing go. This will go great with like the Reaper band from Lowe. She'll be like dancing to the music. Here is her other arm, K. Right here we have her chest and her head with her hair on it obviously. And also her mechanism is in there. Yeah, very similar setup to Shirley Stab from Spirit Halloween, having that already pre-attached chest with blow molded. Right here we do have her base. It's about what I'd expect for this kind of prop. There aren't any supports right here, but I don't really see this thing catching much wind. Right here, we do have some leg pulls, 3 of them. I assume the other one is just right over there with the control box. And lastly, we have the final foot with the shoe and this leg looking thing. But yeah, that is going to conclude the unboxing portion of this video. Now, let's get to the setup. All right guys, I got her all set up. Now let's plug her in. All right, guys, so that was the Dancing Wednesday Addams from Lowe's. This thing is really, really cool. I definitely think it looks a lot better in person. It's actually got a decent amount of size. It's definitely skinny, and I think they did a very good job making a real human face into an animatronic. I think definitely in retail, this is the best that they could get for sure. For her price, this thing retails for $250, which is honestly a little overpriced in my opinion. I think this would have been better around a $200 thing. It's not horribly overpriced, but I definitely think they could have gotten it down a couple more dollars. But yeah, like I said, I'm not sure this thing is exactly available right now. I'm not even sure if it's in stores yet. But yeah, I will leave a link in the description to her link if it's online yet. And I will also leave a link to the merch. Aim high, not low, and never quit. Peace.